Okay, so here we go. This is the little mount. Most people have these on their cars for their phones, and it basically suction cups onto the windscreen just there, so you can put the phone inside it. But what I do is I normally flip it around so that it can actually have different angles, so you can record yourself while you're driving. So if I show you this now, so if I put it in backwards like that, that's the first shot like that. And then you can actually flip them around, so you can have, that's the middle shot. So if I take this off now and put it in the corner up there, then it gives you another different view, side view. So that's another option. And you can also, so that view is just a kind of a driver's angle, so you can even tilt it down to show the steering wheel and stuff. So there's a few options for this, and you can even put it facing down so you can see some of the kind of the controls and stuff. So that's a few options for you there, and these controls are quite handy in mind.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so future videos come straight to you.